Panhandle Cleaning and Restoration. This is Gwen. How may I help you?
Hey Gwen, it's Wolfman. You're not gonna believe what I just did. So I'm loading up the Tundra for the Mountaineer tailgate, and I got my grill, my tent, my cooler. I think I've got everything. And then boom, I forgot about the garage door. Now my garage door is tailgating on my Tundra. Gwen, please, help me out.
Okay, Mr. Wolfman, we'll send a crew ASAP.
When disaster strikes the Wolfman, I call the restoration company that the Mountaineers call, Panhandle Cleaning and Restoration, and you should too. Boo!